Hello students, welcome to English Grammars class. So my name is Krishna S. I am going to take your English grammar in grade 5. So let us start with chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is parts of speech. Now what is parts of speech? What is speech? When we speak something that includes English, right? So in English there are lots of speech, parts of speech. We use pronouns, we use adjectives, we use nouns. So this all things are called parts of speech. So when we want to speak a correct English, we need to understand parts of speech. So this chapter is just the introduction part of parts of speech. Here in your book, there is an introduction is given. Let us read it out. You can keep your textbooks with you. Mac, are you marking our travel dates on the calendar? Yes, I am GT. Can you tell me why the days of the week are called Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday? Mac, that's because the Greeks were the first to name the days of the week after the sun, the moon, and the five planets they knew then: Eris, Hermes, Zeus, Aphrodite, and Cronus. All these planets were named after their gods. Later, the Romans used the same idea, but they substituted these names with the names of their gods: Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, that is Jove, Venus, and Saturn. A little later, the English substituted these names with the names of their gods: Zeus, Woden, Thor, Freya, but they did not substitute Saturn. Wow, that's an interesting story, GT. Thanks. So here, what they are talking, that how these names are given. This, which we say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, how they are named, right? So it's all about names, right? They have named after this, they substituted this after this. This all things they are talking about. So now our thing is this. The conversation between Mac and GT consists of 130 words. Each word performs a function. Some words name people or things, while some words tell us something more about these people or things. So on the basis of what function these words perform in a sentence, we can classify them into word classes or parts of speech. So whatever words we use in our daily life, it has different function. So what function they are performing, that we will decide on the basis of the speech, on the parts of speech. So the parts of speech in English are: first one is nouns. Now, nouns you know very well. Nouns means names. People, place, animal, thing. We used to play this game, right? In class also. That we will think one alphabet, and with that alphabet, name of the people, place, animal, thing we used to write. Right? So this nouns means names. When we talk about ideas, people, things, animal, places, we refer them by name. So these names are called nouns. Here in this introduction part, examples are given as Sunday, week, God, name, make. This all are our nouns. Okay. Then comes pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are used in place of nouns. If I telling you something, I will not repeat your name again and again. I will say you do this, please do that, you have to do this. I will not repeat the name again. So instead of noun, what we use? Pronoun. So here are few examples of pronouns: I, we, you, they, he, she, it, they, like this. So pronouns replace nouns. By using them, we do not have to repeat the nouns again and again in sentences. They are very short words like I, me, he, him, you, we, they. Example, later the Romans used the same idea but they substituted these names. So here they and this are, they is the pronoun which we use instead of Romans. Then comes adjectives. Now, this adjective we like very much. If I tell you that you are great, you are good, you are wonderful, you are happy, you are beautiful, you will like it, right? So, adjectives describe a noun. They often come before a noun but are sometimes placed after a noun. That's an interesting story. So here interesting is a adjective. If I say that you are very friendly, so here friendly is an adjective. If I say that you are very beautiful, then beautiful is an adjective. Then comes determiners. Determiners are words like and this, those. They can be articles, demonstratives, interrogatives. Okay. So if this all words we are using, they help us to determine the things like a and the, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, whose. Then demonstratives means they will demonstrate where the thing is, his, that, these, those. Okay. So these are called determiners. Then comes verbs. Verbs are the most important part of a sentence. If you will speak wrong verb, then the meaning of the sentence will change. If I say that I am going to teach you grammar, instead of that, if I say that I taught you grammar, means it's past tense. I taught you in the last year. If I say I am going to teach, means this year I am going to teach. So it makes lot of difference. So it is very important. A physical action called, named, substituted. Then a mental action is also known as verb. Like you are thinking, understand, dream, feel. Then comes state of being, means to be. Is, was, where, will be. This all will also come in verb. So a verb is a word that shows action. Here you can see one smiley. It is clapping, right? So clapping is a verb. Jumping girl, a baby sleeps, a man eats a burger. This all jumping, sleeps and eats is a verb. Okay, so verb is very important and we are going to have the detailed chapter of this all parts of speech. This is just an introduction part. Then comes adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives or other adverbs like clearly, quietly, frequently. They will describe the verb, means how the verb is. It will give more information about it. Here you can see GT explained clearly. So clearly is an adverb. Quite, very, to. This all words are also included in adverb. So when you will get the adverb, if you will ask the question when, to what extent, where, in what manner, and how. These all questions answer when you will get, that word will be your adverb. Okay. If I say that in what manner GT explained, so GT explained clearly. So clearly is your adverb. Okay. Then next comes prepositions. Prepositions are the words like an, on, in, at, during, across. They show us how a noun is related to the other words in the sentence. Example, all these planets were named after their gods. So here, this preposition will tell you that how the things are related. If I say that I am sitting on the chair, then if I say that the book is on the table, if you will keep your book inside the desk, what you will say? The book is under the desk. So this way the prepositions will help you to speak a proper English. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words like and, but, because, and when. These words will join the group of words. Example, the Romans used the same idea, but they substituted the names with the names of their own gods. If I say that I like I like sleeping, but I have to get up early to study. So here, two sentences. I like to sleep and I have to get up early. So this two sentence I joined using but. So this way we use because, when, so, but, and then. These words when we use to join the sentences, it is called conjunctions. Okay. So today what we studied different parts of speech. Okay, so just overview we have taken. This chapter is just an introduction part. Now this all parts of speech we will be studying in detail in our further chapters. So till that time you read this first chapter and understand and learn the defines of all the parts of speech. Bye bye. Have a nice day.